Hey y'all, in today's video I'm doing something that I've been wanting to do since a while now, and that is sharing the ways in which I style my clothes. So today I'm styling this simple plain white dress. So without further ado, let's get to it. While I love a good plain white dress, sometimes they can be just too boring. So in that case, what do? Well, I have a few ideas, starting off with the very versatile denim shirt. In this case, what I normally do is I button it up at one point in the center and then just tie it up like that. A double knot is recommended, and I usually like to fold up the sleeves to create like a more casual look, but if you prefer to leave it all the way down, that's fine too. I wore these ethnic yet contemporary earrings with this look because I like combining casual with more dressy pieces. I'm not a big fan of heels, which is why I stuck to these flat sandals, which are basically lace-ups, and they've got this bronze goldish sheen which goes well with my earrings, and I think it ties up the whole outfit together. If you have a fitted crop top lying around, you can wear that with your long dress. It kind of makes it look like you're wearing a top with a skirt. For the earrings, I picked the silver option from Shaze, which kind of goes with the grey and the white. I wanted to go for a more formal type of shoe, so I chose these loafers from ECCO, which I pretty much wear all the time because they're so comfortable and don't even hurt the feet. In case you want to layer it a bit more, I would recommend a cropped blazer like this one. The look is more or less in the black and white family because, well, you know how much I love those shades. Also, I was going for a slightly more formal vibe. By the way, you can try this out with your LBDs too. I honestly love Indo-Western outfits, which is why I combined this ethnic jacket with the Western dress. You can use a belt or a string to create a more cinched waist look. Temple style jhumkas are my favorite, so I couldn't resist wearing it with this one. I usually like going all out with my Indian wear, so bangles are a must. I may not be a fan of heels, but I do love a good pair of wedges. These mirror work wedges usually work with most Indian outfits. Bandhani style jackets are my favorite, but you can experiment with other prints too. Use any basic t-shirt for this. I used a cropped t-shirt. This creates that very trendy pinafore type of outfit. So I finally gave in and wore heels because I didn't want this to look too simple and plain, and heels help you add that little bit of a glam factor. If you want to get a bit edgy, I would recommend wearing one ear cuff like this one, and if you don't want to do that, I would suggest wearing the really large hoop earrings which look both elegant and edgy. You can add on a pop of color in the form of a nice vibrant bag or a scarf or a pair of shoes. If you liked this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what you thought of it and what other videos you'd like me to do. Do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video that I share. I will see you very soon. Until next time.